Let's go to Lico 2268 minimal number of key presses. For this question, give us a string and let's arrange the keyboards to return the minimal number of key presses needed. For example, it have an apple. If I have a keyboard like this, you'll see for ABC, this kind of character, A will press once, B will press twice, C will press 3 times. So if we have the A please for the first one, and also it has P put on the first one, L has the first one in the keyboard, and E on the first one. So the total press times is just 5, the same as its length. We have a second question, a second example that is ABCD something, right? So what it arranges that has a keyboard A, B, C, D, E, F something, and when this use out from the J, right, we have to use this kind of keyboard press twice. So you put this something like here. So we know for this question, if we want to have the keyboards have a minimal press, we want to use the one time press keys as much as possible, right? And also, we know if this string it has, for example, has less than 9 distinct character, then we put all of the character in the one-time press key, right? But if it's more than 9 distinct character, so which one should we arrange? So we have to use something like a 2-time press, and also even we have to use a 3-time press. If it's more than 18 distinct character, we have to use the 3-time press character. So what kind of character should we arrange in a one-time press character? That is that we should have counts. For example, if a word, for example, A, B, right? This A appears 5 times. So for the characters A, right? It appears 5 times. So for those kind of character which appears most frequent, what's the top 9 frequent one, we'll put in the first slot, and the second from the 10th to 18th, we are put using the 2 press one, so that the total counts will be minimum. So what we think about is that we just have every character, we have the counts, right? So we have integer array to count its frequencies, and then trying to sort. We can sort, right? Because this just have a length 26. It's meaningless that to do partition for the constant 26. It has much more code, and we just sort it, and then we count from the highest frequency until this count is 0. So let's begin to write code for this. So we're going to have record counts for the new int 26, and we have for int char 3 in S, which array. Well, get its count from C minus A plus, okay? And we'll spot it. Arrays start counts. Okay. So we'll have int result equals to there for int I equals to if I greater equal to 0 and minus. So from the highest frequency, and we'll say and at a terminal condition and counts I doesn't equal to 0. We'll have for the highest one, we'll count its press times. So we'll have int times equals let's say 25 minus I we divide by 26. This one will have 1 plus, okay? So we'll have result add equal to time multiplied by counts. In the end, we just return result. Result 0. Not divided by 26, should divide by 9, right? So this is okay. So this one, we just count, iterate and count all n time complexity and space have 26 constant.